This is IM69. Move up to the setup menu, take a look. This is pricing valid date by ship to. So there's an option to choose valid through, valid from, and a range. In sales order, you have the option to use the order date, the ship date, the promise date on the line, or you can assign it per customer. I have it by order date, and then in invoice data entry, the same thing, ship date, invoice date, or customer assigned. In the customer maintenance by customer, I have it as the ship date. There's a UDF that you can also have set up, and then the last option is recalculate the pricing when the order is invoiced. If you don't want it to recalculate, don't check that. If you do want it to recalc based off of the ship date and invoice data entry, go ahead and select that. Alright, so then I'm going to go into item maintenance. Just pull up an item here and go under pricing. So you can see that I now have more options by the price levels, the item price level by ship to, customer valid date, and if you scroll down a little more, you get the valid date and the ship to by customer. First, customer ABF. Let's choose the ship to, so let's choose ship to 2. The valid date, let's choose the beginning of the week and the end of this week. And I'm just going to have it be a price override, so for the purpose of demo we can see that. So let's just have it be a $100 even, and go ahead and accept that record. So now, if I go into sales order entry, and start a new order, pull up my customer ABF. So let's go back to the header, and I can see I have my ship to address as set to 2. We pull in this item code, order 1. You can see that the price did change to 100 because I do have that ship to code set. So let's go ahead and change this to the ship to 1, and it's going to ask, do you want to recalculate lines? Let's say yes, and it changed that to the $84. So you can see it is using that new pricing based on the ship to. Let's go ahead and go back to 2. Say yes, just verify I went back to 100. But I did have this set as based off of the order date. So what if I put the order date in October? Do you want to recalculate the line? Say yes. Now that's now out of that valid date range, so it does go back to that 84 pricing. This is again IM69.